I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Wordle in Roblox. To begin, open the Roblox application and navigate to the search bar. Type Wordle into the search field and press Enter. You will see several game options appear. Choose a popular version, often titled Wordle, or something similar, which typically has hundreds or even thousands of active players. This ensures a well-maintained and enjoyable game experience. Once you've joined a game, the objective is simple. Guess a 5-letter word within 6 tries. After each guess, the game provides visual feedback using colors. A green tile means the letter is correct and in the exact right spot. A yellow tile indicates the letter is in the word, but its position is incorrect. Finally, a gray tile signifies that the letter is not part of the secret word at all. Use these clues to refine your subsequent guesses. To boost your chances of winning, employ smart strategies. Begin with a strong opening word that includes 3 vowels and 2 common consonants, such as adieu or crane. This helps reveal many letters early on. For your second guess, try a word with entirely different letters if your first guess didn't yield many greens or yellows. Always eliminate gray letters from your mental alphabet and concentrate on placing green and yellow letters correctly. Playing Wordle on Roblox offers a fantastic way to challenge your mind and expand your vocabulary. Many versions offer daily puzzles, providing a fresh challenge every 24 hours. You can even invite friends to play alongside you, turning it into a friendly competition to see who can solve the word in the fewest guesses. Remember, the goal is to have fun and enjoy the process of deciphering the secret word, learning from each attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.